Honey is indeed the nectar of life. In Greek and Roman mythology, honey was considered the nectar of gods. Honey, in its pure, raw, unprocessed form straight from the beehive, is a magical food for good health, good life, and happiness. Raw, natural, organic honey has so much to offer for the well-being of our mind, body, and soul, but not many of us are really aware of them. Nature's buzz honey is a refreshingly natural health food for the entire family. It is the perfect daily dose for a lovely day for all age groups. Nature's Buzz connects and networks with beekeepers and bee farmers from across rural India. Our collective effort and process ensures consumers get their honey straight from the beekeeper's hive.
Our endeavor at Nature's Buzz will not only bring quality honey to the dining table, but will also, most importantly, support and impact the daily lives of hundreds of bee farmers across rural India, from the Western Ghats to the Himalayan region. Come join us on this campaign, ladies and gentlemen. Give us a good hand. Thank you.
Discover the taste of Nature's Buzz high-quality honey with 4 variations: acacia honey, lychee honey, sunflower honey, and Indian forest honey. In the months to follow, we will be offering at least a dozen more varieties from rare and exotic locations.